Yeah. I've noticed that whenever I'm laughing at something or a story or something like that, I always end with, "That's funny." I've already acknowledged it was funny when I laughed. I don't need to. I don't need to be redundant.
It cancels out.
It cancels everything.
Well, when Jared sneezes, he sneezes the word sneeze. He goes, sneeze.
So the funniest, what's funny about
What is this,
that?
like a comic book?
It started out to make my kids laugh. Now I just do it.
Yeah.
And I don't even, like you said, it's a tick. I'll be at Walmart and I'll go, sneeze. And I'll hear somebody chuckle on the aisle next to me. It's silly.
It's so funny. You wouldn't even.
But I get
you
used
wouldn't
to
even.
it.